I am a clinical audiologist. I work to diagnose, treat, and manage hearing and balance disorders at an ear, nose, and throat practice. In general, audiologists do typically work with hearing loss and hearing disorders. Sometimes we work with pediatric patients with cochlear implants. We work with older patients with fitting hearing aids. While it might seem like we hear entirely from our ears are actually just working as the antennas that send the sound up to the brain. The brain is what then interprets and makes sense of the sound. When the hair cells wiggle to let the brain know it's heard sound, the nerve sends the sound impulse up to the brain, and the brain then understands that this sound plus this sound plus this sound equal speech, or equal a dog barking, or equal a faucet running. Making sure that you have a voice, that you speak up for yourself, that's very important. But also having the knowledge to be able to do it articulately is very, very powerful.